Millions of students struggle with one question. How do I create strong resume when I have no internship experience? Most people believe a resume needs job titles to look good. And if you don't have internship, you don't really have a resume. And if you don't have a resume, you don't have a job. That logic sounds convincing, but it is outdated. Hiring has changed. Recruiters today don't prioritize job titles the way they used to. They prioritize skills, projects, evidence, and clarity of thought. In this video, I'll show you how exactly you can build a powerful resume from scratch, even if you have got zero internship. And I'll show you using a simple practical framework that we have been using at Career Earth to help many of our clients and students. Here is the biggest career myth students believe. If I don't have internships, I don't have a resume. And if I don't have a resume, I don't have a job. This mindset traps students into chasing labels instead of building proof. But recruiters aren't obsessed with titles anymore. They are looking for evidence. What did you build? What problem did you solve? What tools did you use? What outputs can you show? According to LinkedIn, 62% of recruiters say strong projects can replace internships for freshers. That's a very high number if you think about it. If you can show real work, projects, outputs, result, you already are way ahead of many candidates with empty internship titles. So instead of chasing labels, let's focus on building proof. That's what actually moves career forward today. When a recruiter opens a fresher's resume, they are not scanning for a long internship list. They are looking at 5 core elements. Can you tell me what they are? Here is the first one, skills. Both tools and concepts, Excel, SQL, Python, financial modeling valuation, along with strong communication and problem solving ability. The second is projects. Even small projects count if they show structured thinking, not just output. Third, education and coursework. Relevant subjects, applied learning, certifications. These matter more than college brand names. Fourth, what are your achievements? Competitions, certifications, club roles, awards, anything that signals initiative. And finally, clarity of direction. A simple one-line summary at the top of your resume like aspiring data analyst focused on Power BI dashboards and performance metrics. Builds instant trust. If you have these 5 things, you need not worry. You are shortlist worthy even without internships. And that is how most of us, including me, started our journeys. Now let me show you how to build experience without experience. Funny, isn't it? Because this is where most students get stuck. They think experience comes after someone hires them. This is no longer true. At Career Earth, we use a simple framework called BUILD. B-U-I-L-D. Build is how you create resume-ready experience before the job shows up. Let me break it down for you. B stands for build small, focused projects, not massive capstone projects. 2 or 3 mini projects that prove skill. Analyze a public data set, that is perfectly fine. Create a Power BI dashboard. Redesign a landing page in Figma. Build a simple Python automation. Do a competitor analysis or financial analysis. Work with a faculty on doing ratio analysis. Do vendor selection framework and criteria. Many of them are there. Each project should take some time to do, say 3 to 5 days or maybe a few weeks. The next thing is you. Use real tools that recruiters recognize. Excel, SQL, Power BI, Figma. Tools matter because they reduce hiring risk. They can be evaluated. Then show impact over output. This is critical. Don't write vague descriptions. Use achievement style bullets, action verbs, task, tool, outcome. These are important things to think. Think about the SMART framework. For example, built an interactive Power BI dashboard using 20,000 row sales data set to identify 3 revenue leakage points. The next is link your work to a particular role. Describe your project exactly like a job role. What were your responsibilities? What are the tools that you have used? What was the outcome of that project? That's how projects become experience. You need to demonstrate proof. Add 1 or 2 credible certificates from well respected institutions. And get 1 recommendation. Even a single sentence from a mentor adds authority. And that's built. In parallel, keep building your LinkedIn profile, not just your resume. If you're wondering what projects to start with, here are a few high impact ideas that we've seen over the last couple of months. For marketing, Instagram competitor audit, 7-day content plan, SEO keyword search sheet. In finance, it is ratio analysis, discounted cash flow method, credit scoring models, financial modeling and valuation. For data and tech, you might want to do exploratory data analytics using Power BI R or Python, Power BI or Tableau dashboards, Python for automating the scripts. If you're looking for an internship in HR, then perhaps employee attrition analysis, job description design using AI tools, competency framework using AI tools. If you're looking for an internship in design, UI redesign is a very, very popular thing that people are talking about these days. Portfolio case studies, make a landing page ka mock-up. 2 or 3 of these projects should stand out. The person looking at it should feel, wow, kya baat. You don't need internships to create a strong resume. You need skills, project, evidence, and clarity. Follow the build framework. Build proof before titles. Do 2 or 3 projects. Turn them into experience and show recruiters what you can do. That's how modern resumes win. That is what we tell our folks at Career Earth, that don't get scared and nervous that you don't have internships. You are building a profile that will get you in good internships, which will lead you to better opportunities and eventually a full-time job. In fact, I was once doing an interview where I asked a person about the projects that the person had done in school and college. And it was very intriguing because the project that the person had done in college, even before the person started doing an internship, was exactly what I wanted him to do for the role that he was applying for 5 years after graduating from college. Can you beat that? 5 saal baad. I'm asking this person, can you please tell me what you had done in that project? So don't think that this is all about internships and titles and brands. Before we get to that stage, we have got to make sure that we showcase ourselves as people who take initiative, have clarity of direction, who are learning the right tools, who are willing to build projects with high impact and not just fill up their resume with internship titles with empty projects. Don't fall for it. Stay tuned to Career Earth and we shall continue our discussion. अगर क्लैरिटी है तो ग्रोथ होगा तो करियर होगा, ये हमारा आपसे वादा है.